Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new pool home listing, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 4111 Carlsbad Drive. Great south side area, quiet street. It's going to be super close to the new launch ramp and marina. So you have a little gated side parking. Nice houses around, new construction going in. Let's go on in and check it out. You have a cool little front courtyard entry area. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2000, 1,650 square feet. It's on a pretty decent lot of 10,672 square feet. Big open living, split floor plan, vaulted ceilings. Nice little fireplace. Nice eat-at kitchen counters. Little dining area. Laundry, little pantry. So unfortunately, this one bids are due by tomorrow at 10 a.m. So if you're seeing this on YouTube or Facebook, tomorrow's probably too late. I'm out here shooting it for a client. So it's going quick. All right, you got the master. I noticed there's shutters on all the windows. Got your master bath with dual sinks, walk-in closet, nice walk-in shower. Got bedroom 2 at the front of the house, just your typical setup. Guest bath, looks like one of those spa shower tub things. Bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. Pretty typical. Let's go check out the pool. Get your indoor laundry on the way to the garage. All right, so you have this 3-car garage. It's got a 21-foot bay and a 33-foot bay with 8-foot doors. The doors are insulated. Garage is in nice condition. Got your water softener, irrigation timer, hot water. You have some built-in shelves. Got this boat deep bay. All right, let's go check out the pool. All right, guys, got a nice covered patio. Really nicely landscaped, really nice gunite pool. See a little chipping on the table right there. A couple tiles are missing. Not a big deal. So the rest of the pool looks like it's in pretty good condition. So there is this side access, but the eaves look like it's going to prevent stuff from, something too big, like a big RV, but you could definitely get a boat back in here, no problem. Got your little pool equipment set up back here. Looks like they're heating it with propane. And there's also a pool heater that's like a radiator style passive heater on the roof. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoy the quick little video of the house over here in Carlsbad. Again, this one is going to be sold tomorrow. So if you're seeing this on YouTube, there's a link right below this video. It's the first link in the YouTube description, and that'll give you the current status of the property, active, pending, and all that. They'll also put a direct link in the Facebook so you can see all the original listing pictures. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.